What's up guys, it's that time of the month, we're feeling generous, we're ready to build a gaming PC and give it away to one of you all.
This right here is a $600 gaming PC you can build at home, but don't worry about building it. You can buy 4 of these PCs from PCBros.tech, but you can also win one of these bad boys over on twitch.tv/ToastyBros, which we'll talk about later on today's video. But of course, with these PC builds, we gotta pay for them somehow. Let's hear a word from today's sponsor. Today's video is brought to you by our good friends over at GVG Mall, our favorite place to buy Windows 10 keys and a lot of other awesome software for your gaming PC.
If you're tired of seeing that Windows activation watermark in the bottom corner of your screen, check out GVG Mall with the link down below. We do have a special discount code that Matt will tell you guys about in just a second, but activating Windows is super easy. You literally just buy the key, Windows 10, Windows 11, maybe even the next Windows, it'll still be supported, so we absolutely love using GVG Mall because you are paying a severe discount.
And if you use code TB20, our normal code, for a short period of time, you can save 25% on your next purchase of a Windows 10 key or any other software they have to offer. They also offer Office 2019 licenses. If you don't want to deal with the Microsoft 365 suite, you can buy that Office key and be good to go. You're set in stone there, no worries about paying monthly. You can find those links in the description down below.
And to give you an idea on how much we trust them, we've actually been partnering with GVG Mall for years now. We've been giving out the Windows 10 and Windows 11 keys for quite some time. And like Matt said, we do use them over at PC Bros quite a bit, and we really have never had any issues with them. So we do really like GVG Mall.
GVG Mall, check the link down below. Big thanks again to them for sponsoring today's video. Use code TB20 to save 25% today. Let's get right into the video, shall we?
So every month we build 5 of these gaming PCs, and yes, we give one of them away every second Friday of the month. This one's actually the third Friday of the month. We decided to switch it up on you guys a little bit, but long story short, we sell these PCs at pretty much market value. So we're gonna talk about all these parts and how they make up the build, and you'll see exactly how much it cost us to build and how much we're gonna sell it for.
Let's do it.
So we're gonna be building 5 of these gaming PCs, and we're going to actually be giving one away on twitch.tv/ToastyBros. We really love shilling PC Bros because we're gonna be actually selling the other 4 PCs that we don't give away for a really, really good price, and that's what we try to do on every build when we can. So these PCs we will be selling for $650 plus shipping, and it cost us right at $600 to actually build these PCs. So you're getting Windows 11 Pro installed, tested, and activated. You're getting a 1-year warranty that is parts and labor, and on top of that, you're getting some of the best customer support in the industry. For the CPU, we have the i3 12100F. This is all reliable right here. This is 12th gen, meaning you have Gen 4 support out of the box, a great upgrade path, and hey, 4 cores and 8 threads, and it's some of the most powerful 4 cores and 8 threads, you really can't complain. And to cool that i3, I've been seeing this cooler a lot lately. This is the ID Cooling SC214XT, which is a cooler that usually comes in around $20. ARGB, black fan, looks really nice, and it actually runs really cool. Now for the motherboard, we have the ASRock B660M HDV. This is one of the cheapest 12th gen, 13th gen boards in the market. You can tell just because it only has 2 RAM slots. And yeah, you know, it's not the worst board in the world, but it's definitely one of the cheapest, under $100. Now shout out to TeamGroup. Every month they like to send over the RAM and the storage, so they're some wonderful people. They send over all of it for all 5 builds, but here we have some T-Force Vulkan Z. It's 16 gigs, 3200 megahertz, and it's not RGB, but sometimes we gotta save a little money. And also thanks to TeamGroup for sending over 5 of their 500 gig Gen 4 NVMe SSDs. Now this is not one of them because we needed something to put on the set. We're still waiting on them to show up, and we need to finish this freaking video. So this is just a 512 gig NVMe Gen 3 SSD, which we use quite a bit of, but yeah, these will all have Gen 4 drives in them. The heck is that?
This right here is an interesting graphics card. Well, it's an ASRock graphics card. We know these cards so well, and this is the RX 5500 XT, which I will give them credit. The art design on this box is something crazy. Like, it's really out of this world, and it is gaming ready. Don't you love to be gaming ready? But all jokes aside, these cards are really good on Amazon right now. They are awesome with 8 gigs of VRAM, and they can play pretty much any game you throw at it at 1080p medium-high settings. These ASRock cards are pretty funny in terms of all the writing, but yeah, overall, really good cards for the money, and they're gonna work really well with that i3 12100F. This is the power supply that has kind of been our go-to for like the past month. This is the Zalman Gigamax 600 watt 80 plus bronze power supply. It's a budget power supply. You really don't even need 600 watts, but it's the best price power supply right now that you can get in bulk ready to go. And yeah, solid power supply from Zalman, it'll get the job done. Now for the case, I wanted to go with something different, but there's really not any groundbreaking new micro ATX cases on the market. So we went with the good old Vetroo M03, which is a Vetroo case that has some nice airflow up front, 1 RGB fan in the back, which we will be adding a Vetroo fan pack. And if you at home are trying to build this yourself, try to keep a lookout for a bundle deal they have on Amazon with the case and fans. It only charges you $10 more to get a 3 fan pack. In this case, we had to use some of the fans that we have over at PC Bro, so it's a little bit more expensive, but it'll get the job done. It's gonna look really nice, and honestly, we went for more of a really nice looking PC approach for a budget PC. We could have gone stock cooler, we could have gone with a cheaper case, but we want this build to look really nice and also perform very well. And I think for $650 plus shipping at PC Bros, it's a really good deal. Let's go ahead and put this thing together and see how it performs.
All right, guys, we're playing Halo Infinite, and we're on low settings. I got to get into it already.
Oh man,
this is ranked free for all, ladies and gentlemen.
He's gonna free for all.
This is the big league. So we're on 120 field of view, 1080p, and low settings. This could probably handle slightly higher settings, actually.
Yeah, the menu was kind of conflicting. It was showing like less than 60 FPS on the menu, so dropped it to low, but I'd imagine medium settings, you'll still get 60 plus FPS. Now you will see in MS Afterburner, it says RX 5500, and we said it was 5500 XT. For some reason in Windows, this graphics card is showing up as a 5500 non-XT, but the 5500 8 gig doesn't exist, and it is showing that we're using 5 gigs of VRAM right now on this graphics card, so unless this is some weird 5500 with 8 gigs of VRAM soldered, it should be a 5500 XT, and it might just be some sort of issue in Windows. We'll see throughout the benchmarks, but we're pretty confident. I would say like 99% confident that this is a legit 5500 XT. There's just some weird asterisk stuff going on with labeling it as a 5500.
Now, where's the guy that was shooting him? Oh my God,
he's a movement god.
He's a demon.
Yeah, assist. Hashtag it. You're getting chased, buddy. Oh, that guy found you. He's like, oh, that was an easy kill. Oh, good nade, good nade.
Oh, for what then? Give me that kill. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh my God. Yeah. Assist, yeah. That guy is hooking. Yeah, assist, let's go. And you were his last kill.
Yep, I was getting shot by 2 people. That was, don't ever play free-for-all in Halo unless you're the best player in the world, but the computer ran really well. So we got that going. How are we using exactly that amount of RAM?
That's a very specific amount of RAM. Let's play Fortnite. All right, guys, we are in Fortnite, but not your traditional Fortnite. This is a game mode in Fortnite, which is like a deathmatch domination, whatever. We're on TSR low, medium, high settings. And yeah, I got my gun out. Look at this. This is Call of Duty in Fortnite, ladies and gentlemen. We're getting like 90 to 100 FPS. This is so goofy. I can't believe this is a thing. But you know what? I was tired of dying in the main game, so here I am. I'll probably just die in here. Right. Oh yeah. Oh gosh, I'm dying. Oh, what is going on out here? This is like an auto sniper, so.
I don't like the hit markers. Like, it's not very satisfying.
No, it's not. Oh, there's a stormtrooper. Eat a sticky, stormtrooper.
He's stuck.
Yeah.
Loser.
Goodbye, Taco Fighter. This is like the weird Call of Duty like domination mode in Fortnite.
What do you guys think that could be? That hit markers for days.
Oh. Yeah, Fortnite's a game that's definitely not gonna push the VRAM on this right now. We're only at like 3 gigs of VRAM, but as you saw in Halo, it was exceeding the 4 gigs that a 5500 would have, so I'm fairly confident that it's just a Windows reporting issue with this graphics card. So just keep that in mind with the performance numbers. What you see is what you get. Easy cap, easy cap. I ain't playing all 5 rounds. We ain't getting all that. But Fortnite runs great. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is stress this thing to its limits and show you guys some games that'll probably like eat up all 8 gigs of the VRAM, so you can see that happening in MSI Afterburner. And then we'll wrap this video up real quick and talk again about how you can win one of these PCs or buy one for yourself.
Okay guys, we just got done benchmarking the giveaway PC and it did really well. The only real complaint was just that 5500 XT showing up as a 5500, but from all the research we did and all the benchmarks we did, it should be a 5500 XT.
And as you can see from the built-in benchmarks on screen, as long as you're seeing this video, we pretty much confirmed it was a 5500 XT. So it's overall a weird card, but it does perform very well as you can see from the benchmarks. And we think selling this thing for $650 plus shipping is a great price at PC Bros. And if you go to the Twitch stream, twitch.tv/ToastyBros, you can see me wearing this awesome toast head. We have a fun giveaway where we give away one of these gaming PCs. We have like a rave party. We'll have the counselor show some footage on screen here. It gets pretty wild and you have a chance to win. The only stipulation is you have to be in the US, and if you do join the Twitch stream, you just have to be here when we draw the winner. So yeah, be sure to follow our Twitch stream so you don't miss out.
And as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other 2 YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/ToastyBros, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.
Peace out. This PC will be available at PCBros.tech, and it'll be a really good price like we've been saying, but they are limited, so get them while you can.
PCBros.tech, you can buy gaming PCs, gaming laptops, and so much more. And if these happen to be out of stock, we have a lot of different options as well. Use code ToastyBros2 and check out and save 2% of your next purchase. See you guys later. Goodbye. Also, be excited for those mouse pads. They're coming.